So when most audiophile talk about the switchable power supply, they think about Class D. Automatically think that, okay, switchable power supply and then Class D amplification later. But also in any of Soulution products, they always linear amplification, either Class A or Class AB. So can you further explain to us why is the design?
Well, it's always Class AB in the Soulution power amplifiers. And of course, you could think of, and we did think of doing Class D stage, and did decide to not do it for very distinct reasons. We do not say Class D is bad, but I would say with today's technologies, Class D is just not, you cannot switch fast enough with today's devices to achieve a 2 or megahertz bandwidth, which we would need for that linear phase response. And we would have to have switching devices which are really fast switching, like in the hundreds of megahertz, which would then produce, of course, a lot of noise, RF
EMI,
noise, which you have to EMI to control with that. And it's just, and to control that while providing a lot of current to a speaker like what you're listening here, which easily can ask for 10, 20, 30 amperes. This filter device would get extremely big and difficult to design. So we thought, we decided it's easier to have a switch mode power supply, which makes the perfect supply condition, and then use a linear Class AB stage, which does not require this kind of heavy filtering later on.
So let's go to the details, especially for the new products you introduced in high Munich, the new 7 series and also the new 3 series. There's one thing that's always made me very interested. I wonder why Soulution goes to such lengths, especially for the volume control, for the pre-amplification stage. So for digital side, you had the lead volume control, digital very high ends. And when you talk about that solution like a pre-amplifier, you have 2 stages of volume control. The normal ones is the relay, resistor, ladder volume control. And the second one is like digital side thing of amp control and everything like that. When most ultra high-end other brands, they use like only one. So why Soulution goes much further compared to others?
Well, it's mainly related to, let's say, comfort while changing volume. The high quality volume control is a resistor ladder which is switched by relays. And the way we have designed that, you would actually get clicks on pops in the speaker when you change volume while just using the resistor ladder with the relays. So we said we don't want to have that. That's not nice. So you should have to feel like using a potentiometer.
It's so smooth.
So that's smooth. So we use a second volume control, which is a IC-based volume control, which can actually change the volume without any clicks and pops. But this second volume control is not of the same ultra high-end quality as the resistor ladder. So it is only active while you change the volume. So as soon as you touch the volume, we switch from the resistor ladder to the IC volume control, which is on the same level. Then we change the volume to the new level. Once you set the new level, we adjust the relay to the same level and switch back.
Okay. Một cái điều rất thú vị với những sản phẩm preamp của Soulution, rất nhiều người suy nghĩ đó là những cái sản phẩm preamp của họ là volume số, nhưng mà không phải. Thực tế nó vẫn là volume analog, volume trở nha, relay, nhưng mà sử dụng bằng relay. Nhưng mà cái điều hay của Soulution đó là bên trong những sản phẩm như thế này, các bạn sẽ có 2 mạch điều khiển. Cái mẫu mạch đầu tiên là khi mà các bạn nghe bình thường thì nó sẽ là volume trở, relay ở bên trong. Nhưng mà khi các bạn chỉ cần chỉnh volume một cái thôi, thì để cho cảm giác nó mượt nhất, nó nhẹ nhàng nhất, thì họ sẽ sử dụng một cái ổ amp control điều khiển một cái mạch vậy đó, để các bạn có thể nâng được, chạm nó rất là mượt, điều khiển rất là mượt. Nhưng mà khi các bạn chạm được, các bạn nghe thấy mức đó nó ok rồi, mức âm lượng nó ok, thì cái con preamp này nó sẽ tự động chuyển về lại cái volume trở cho các bạn nghe chất lượng tốt nhất. Thực sự một thiết kế rất hay luôn. Và bên trong này nó sẽ có là một cái volume 80 dB, một nấc là 1 dB. Thực sự rất ấn tượng. Nên là các bạn nhớ nha, những sản phẩm preamp của Soulution nó là volume analog chứ không phải là volume số. Nó có 2 mạch lần chứ không phải là một. mà nghe chính là volume trợ.